In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to double underline in Google Sheets in 2022. If you've ever wondered how to make your data stand out in a spreadsheet, using a double underline can really help draw attention to specific cells. Let's dive in step by step so you can achieve this effect in just a few moments. First things first, let's open up a Google Sheet. You might have one tucked away in a folder, or you can start fresh by creating a new one. Once you have your sheet open, you're ready to begin. Now, select a cell by simply clicking on it. You can choose any cell you like, but for the purposes of this demonstration, let's specifically click on cell B4. This is just an example, so feel free to pick whichever cell best suits your needs in your particular document. Next, direct your attention towards the top of the screen. You'll see a toolbar that hosts a variety of icons. One of these icons will look like a square with a shaded border. This is the borders icon. Give it a click, and a drop-down will appear with a rollout of border options. Here, you will find selections ranging from adding borders to the entire cell to customizing specific lines. Our goal is to make cell B4 stand out with a double bottom underline. To do this, start by selecting the bottom border from the drop-down options. This is the foundational step before adding the double feature, as this will apply a single line under the cell, offering the first stroke of that double line effect we're aiming for. Now that you've applied the single border, it's time to turn that simple line into a double by styling it. Look again at the bar of options when you clicked the borders icon, and this time click on the section that allows you to customize the border style. Within this menu, you should see various design options, including the elusive double bottom border line. Once you've found it, just click to apply the double underline to cell B4. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, your selected cell now features a double underline. This styling choice can be useful for highlighting key data points or headings, making them more visually prominent in a document with lots of information. By following these steps, you'll be able to quickly enhance the look and function of your spreadsheet, lending clarity and emphasis to important entries. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other cells you wish to highlight with a double underline. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial, and enjoy experimenting with your newfound Google Sheets skill.